What's going on, y'all? Check it, we did Sous Vide shrimp rolls today. We sous vide them to make sure they came out perfect. And guess what? They did, y'all. So you know you're gonna have to give me that LSS on this one. You know you do. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So of course we gonna start off by raining on them. We gonna hit them with a little bit of that Old Bay. That Old Bay, y'all. Y'all know that Old Bay tasty, y'all. Tasty. Then once we hit it with that Old Bay, we gonna come in with some paprika. Next will be a little dried mustard. And then we simply gonna give that a mix. Mix it all up, y'all. Make them flavors just blend real good. Hey, that's how you get it tasty, y'all. That's how you get it tasty. After we get done mixing, it's time to get into our sous vide bag. Now we don't even need color on these, so once we take it out this machine, hey, time to put that mix on them, and it's time to eat, y'all. So once we get them into our sous vide bag, we gonna go ahead and add 2 paps of butter or 2 tablespoons of butter to our bag. And then we gonna go ahead and get this back down. Now that's what it's gonna look like once you get it back down. Now we gonna set our sous vide machine at 135 for 1 hour. And we also have some broccoli in there. Now, when I put my bags in, they were floating. So we're going to put a little weight on top because you do not need them floating. You need them submerged in that water. And if that ever happens, you can use a lid or anything. Just make sure that you make them get down into that water. After an hour, we're going to go ahead and get our lid out. Get these shrimp on out, and our broccoli, of course. But them shrimp is the most important. So let's get them out of there. Oh yeah. Now, you can leave it in your machine. They won't overcook. But if you cook them too long, it will change the texture. They'll get almost mushy like. So let's go ahead and pour this off into a bowl. Now, usually I pour my juice into one bowl and then pour that into the other. But hey, we're gonna use this juice. So we're gonna add about a half a tablespoon of mustard and 2 nice tablespoons of mayo, which I'm using my wife's favorite, that Hellman's. Me, I'm more of a Duke guy, but hey, they both good, y'all. They both good. So once we get that together, we're gonna go ahead and get a mix. Blending everything together, making sure we blend that juice with that mayo and everything. So that juice got a whole lot of shrimp flavor in it. Like I say, the best stock you could ever have, y'all. So once we get that blended, now this is totally optional. I like me a little tablespoon of relish. But hey, that's what I like, y'all. Do it the way you like. So let's plate up. Now these are our sous vide broccoli right there on the side. Now, the good thing about sous vide your broccoli, you don't have to worry about it being waterlogged. It's just straight broccoli, y'all. Just tasty broccoli. So to our roll, we're gonna add tomatoes. And once we get our tomatoes on, we're gonna come on in with that good, beautiful shrimp. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was kind of mad at myself. I ain't cook enough. I should have cooked maybe 2-3 pounds of this, because I could have ate about 4-5 of them. But that's okay. I know better next time. So after we get our shrimp on, guess what? Gotta add a strip of bacon. Bacon make it better, y'all. Bacon always make it better. And oh my goodness, look at that plate, y'all. I'm getting ready to chow down. But y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.